Hello everyone, in today's video let me show you an awesome way to make money online in simple steps. And quickly let's get started with the first step in today's video. Just you can head over to YouTube, and here in the search bar we can look for something like the best gifts for someone, such as daughter, sister, wife, dad, mother, and so on. So for example, we can type something like the best gifts for mother, the best gifts for mother. Afterward, you can find a lot of different amazing videos regarding the best gifts for Mother Day, as you see. So in this step, we can pick one of these beautiful videos like this one, for example, that talks about the best Mother Day gifts ideas 2023 under 100 bucks. So we can copy its link, copy link address, and now we can move on to the next step in today's video. Just you can head over to an awesome website that is tactic.io. It's a wonderful website regarding the meeting recordings and much more. So what's important for us about this amazing website, just you can head over to this section, resources, click over this drop down menu, and here we can go down a little bit to YouTube transcript. Click over it, then you'll be taken to this page where you can convert this YouTube video to an awesome transcript in just a few seconds. So now we can paste this link of your YouTube video, paste, click over this button, get video transcript. So just in a snap here you can find your transcript ready as you see, and here either you can copy it or you can download it as a text document. So now we can select this option, downloaded, and now we can move on to the third step in today's video. Just you can opt for an awesome website that is sodapdf.com that converts this text form to a PDF one. So we can choose your file, download this PDF one, perfect. And now it's time to move on to the next step. Just you can opt for an awesome website that is chatdoc.com. Here you can chat with your documents and get your instant answers like you can do on ChatGPT. And of course you can use it for free. Thus you can head over to this button, get started, click over it. Sign in, sign up now, and insert your email like this one, for example. Continue. It sends you a verification code, so you can go to your inbox to verify your email. Continue. Following that, you've got to insert your credentials like username and your password. Agree and sign up. Business, sales account manager, for example, and I heard about that in YouTube. Perfect. And now we can upload your PDF file, and here this awesome tool will analyze your PDF file and get your content as you want. And here in this few seconds later, this amazing tool gives you some beautiful suggestions or recommended questions to get your answers based on this content found on your transcript. So this video talks about the affordable Mother's Day gift ideas under the 100 budget. So now we can take this one, okay, and just in a few seconds it gives you the best gifts for Mother Day under this budget, as you see, like for Capri hand cream for channel number 5, gift set from Harry and David, insulated cup with a heartwarming design, and so on. So now we can use all these gift ideas to make money online by promoting them anywhere as you like. And the best website to get all these gifts is from two websites. The first one is amazon.com for sure. Here you can find millions of these beautiful gift ideas for your mother, dad, sister, daughter, and so on. And the second website for sure is epay.com. As well, you can find huge amounts of gift ideas, gifts for your mother and your lovely person. So now we can take in today's video amazon.com as an example, okay? And here you've got to sign up as an affiliate or this Amazon Associates program. It's an easy one. Just you can sign up and the products on Amazon ready to your promotion. So for example, if we take one of these beautiful gifts from this answer, like this one, a fruit basket of Harry and David, or this one is this insulated cup with a heartwarming design. So we can take this one, okay, copy and go back to Amazon, for example, and for mother, for example, for mother with a heartwarming design. As you see here, you can find a lot of different amazing insulated cups for your mother and for Mother's Day, as you see. So after sign up as an Amazon affiliate, you can promote all these products as you want, okay, like this one for example. And likewise, you can do the same process in the epay.com. Just you can type in this amazing page to join ePay as a partner or as an affiliate, okay, perfect. Back to our drawing box in Amazon.com to promote these products that mentioned in this answer. So you can search for them in Amazon.com to promote them one by one, okay, perfect, because they are best gift ideas for mother under this budget $100. So now, how we can make a landing page to promote all these products professionally to make money online. Of course, you can use any landing page for free to promote all these affiliate links. One of them is Google site. Yes, Google site. It's a free website to promote your products as you want. So we can jump to the first result, Google site, and then you can go to blank site, and simply here you can upload an image for the Mother's Day, mother love, and so on, like this one. And of course, you can get this image from any website that gives you the free image for a commercial license, like Pixabay, Unsplash, Pixels, and so on. Or simply you can insert here your title like the mother gifts under the $100 or 100 budget, like the best gifts for Mother's Day, the best gifts for Mother's Day under $100. Okay, don't forget to insert here a header about your Mother's Day, and here you can promote in this landing page your products one by one. So how to do that? Simply and quickly in Google site. Firstly, here in this content block, so we can select this one that contains an image of your product and a brief description of it and a call to action. So we can select this one, as you see, and then in this one you can upload your image from Amazon or ePay as you like. So for instance, you can go back to Amazon and you can get this image, for example, and go to Google site, upload your image. Of course, we can make it more clear, and here you can insert your description of your product. And to get a professional description of your product you want to promote here, first we can go to a gorgeous website that is Quick Tools by PixArt. Here in this amazing website you can find a plethora of amazing tools regarding text or image and AI writer, and of course you can use all these tools for free. So we can go to AI writer, and you can find over 70 amazing AI templates like expand, title generator, article writer, and etc. So here in today's video we can use an awesome one that is product descriptions, and then we can say, and here you can insert your keywords like insulated cup with #1 mom, for example, as a heartwarming design and quote. Here you can add your keywords to include like insulated cup and Mother's Day, and choose your tone like a friendly tone. Now click over this one, generate, as you see. So you can copy one of them as you like this one, for example, quickly copy and go back to our landing page, that is Google site, and insert your description as you see. So now we can remove this one, we don't need it. Okay, perfect. And it's time now to add a call to action that contains your affiliate link or a clickable button. So we can select from this content blocks section this button, as you see. So we can type like get this insulated cup as a call to action. Get this amazing insulated cup right now, for example, quickly. And then you can insert your affiliate link from Amazon affiliate like this, for example. Okay, and insert. And of course you can make it wider. Perfect. So here you have one product to promote, like this one, insulated cup with a product description, with a call to action, and your button that takes people to your product page on Amazon.com. And of course you can do this process again to different products, as you see from select this one. Then when you're done making your landing page on Google site, you can publish it, like mother, publish, and here your landing page ready to promote it. And the best place to promote this landing page that contains your affiliate products is Pinterest.com. Yes, Pinterest. And it is time to select a pin image or a thumbnail of your landing page. So you can do it simply on Canva.com. Thus, here in the search bar on Canva.com, just you can look for something like the Pinterest pin, and you can insert your keyword like mother gift ideas and gifts for Mother Day and so on. So just you can type Pinterest, click over it, click enter. Following that, you will find amazing templates regarding this gift ideas for Mother Day, as you see. So you can pick one of these beautiful templates and customize it as you prefer to make an attractive pin image to your pin. So today's video, I'm gonna take this one, for example, this one, and click over this button, customize this template. And now you can customize and edit this pin image to your preferences. Like you can insert here this title as a best gift ideas for Mother Day under $100 and so on and so forth. Then you can download this pin image, download it. Then go back to Pinterest.com and upload your pin image and your thumbnail. And you can insert the title of your pin that you take from YouTube title, like the best gift ideas for Mother Day under $100. And here in description, you can get a pin description, a creative one from any AI tool you use, like Jasper, Write, Sonic, or anything else, or ChatGPT. And here you can insert the destination link or the link of your landing page that contains these gift ideas. So we can go back to our landing page, this one, copy, and go back to Pinterest, and here you are. Then you can repeat this process over and over again, even in the same topic, like the gift ideas for mother under $50 and for $200 and so on and so forth. And here you can find on YouTube a lot of different videos talking about the same topic. Gift ideas for mother, gift ideas for dad, gift ideas for sister, daughter, teacher, mechanic, doctor, pharmacist, and so on and so forth. So you can focus on that niche, that about the gift ideas for someone else. Therefore, you can craft an amazing landing page using Google site and promote this landing page on Pinterest.com, where you find many people are looking for this topic in particular, gift ideas for anybody they love. Thus, you provide him a help to find the best gift ideas under a specific budget, $100, $50, and so on and so forth. So thank you for watching, and if you have any question, you can leave in the comment section. See you in the next video.